Hello guys, hello again. Today is Thursday. Today is a beautiful and amazing day for you. So today we're going to learn more about the bees. How you are enjoying about this stuff. So let's go guys and let's learn more about the bees. So let's go now. I will present the content of today. Although not all the bees make honey, like we already know, right? Not all the bees are able to create and to make honey because not all the bees are made for this. So all the bees pollinate flowers, all the bees. No, not because one bee don't make honey, is that bee don't pollinate a flower. Yes, also the bee make the process of pollinations. Oh, and take the paper of pollinators. So the pollination of flowers by bees is very important to farming. You have a garden. I know that most of you have a garden in your house. You see those beautiful flowers were merged and you see, oh, the flower is beautiful. Mom, look this flower. And you see the flower, amazing flowers. And you see in that flower a bee. When you see the flower, a bee or a butterfly too, because the butterfly too also pollinates. They are pollinated. They are pollinators, and these are very important for the farmers. So farmers will even hire beekeepers to bring beehives to the fields when it's time for the crops to be pollinated. Okay, this is a process that a farmer hire beekeepers to bring bees, bees. Okay, so for example, beekeepers bring hives on orchards when fruit trees are on blossoms. So you have trees in your house, right? You have trees in your house, and the moment when you have trees, you see those mangoes on which you can see a banana, you can see whatever fruit. The fruit also is sweetie. And like the fruit is sweetie, it becomes an absorb the sweet of the fruit too. For that reason, it's important that pollinators, because when the bee make the process, when the bee carries what carries? The pollen. When the bees carry the pollen, it's make the process from one flower to other flower, the process of reproduction. And it's make that the plants get fruits, okay? Then the bees can be moved to other crops. So let's go how. This is a drawing of bee hive that many beekeepers use. What are the beekeepers? Beekeepers are like the persons who are able to get the bees, the honey, sorry, the honey. The bee lives here. Look, this is a honeysucker. This is a queen includer. This is the brown boxwood. He's the queen includer. He is the queen of all the bees. I do know the bees has a queen, the bee queens. Okay, and now the bees live here. Okay, these bees live in these keep big keepers. These beekeepers collect and keep the honey of the bees. For that reason, the beehive, who are these ones, then comes the beekeepers, who are the person who take the honey, and they are able to take away or take out the honey of the bees, and they put again the beehive again, and the bees are able again to make again honey, because the bee needs to go from one place to another place to look for honey, for more pollen, for more nectar. And this nectar, they can make more honey. Just let's see here. You can see here a lot of bees, okay? Here in these circles, look in these circles, you can see that there is the nectar. There is the nectar. Look, the nectar. The bees are very good workers. The very work every year, every single day. Just the only way and the only season that they doesn't work is when comes winter, because in winter it's very cool. It's cool. It's raining a lot, and the flower doesn't bloom. For that reason, they use spring and summer to get the pollen and the nectar. And in that way, they keep the nectar. They keep the nectar here, and then the nectar is able to become a honey. So for that reason, are very important. The bees. Just look at them. Just look at the how that bees works. So for that reason, when you see a bee, don't kill them, please. Don't kill the bees, because the bees play a very important role in our environment and in our world. So thank you guys for staying here. So tomorrow we will have a little evaluation about the topics that we were looking this week. So I'm pleased tomorrow attend to class and don't miss, because you must need to make this little quiz. Okay, thank you guys. Please review all the videos I already upload to the platform, and don't forget to complete all your homeworks. If you didn't have time to do it, don't worry. I will give you more time. You have time. I understand, because sometimes we have problems with the energy. Sometimes we have problems in our houses. I understand that. Don't worry. So see you guys. Take care. See you tomorrow, and God help you and help us too. Bye bye, guys.